And gypsum is one of the first ingredients that if you've got really hard pan soil and you don't have enough drainage, gypsum is one of the ingredients we want to throw down at the base. Now, it does increase the alkalinity a little bit using gypsum, but the effect it has on helping break up clay effect and allowing moisture to then seep into the soil is far outweighs the detriment of the alkalinity it might create, because we're pushing that alkalinity down anyway. And we're just trying to get drainage to happen. That's why we use gypsum. Azomite is also another product out there that has some gypsum-like qualities that can also work, that also has a lot of micronutrients, but we typically only use azomite in cases for fruit trees because those types of micronutrients are much better for fruit trees and trees. But in the in-ground garden, if you do have hard pan soil that's like a pot, you're going to want to drill through it at a couple locations, usually about every 4 feet or so. You want to have a kind of drill through. If you don't want to keep digging all the way down, drill through, create some relief holes, kind of upside down chimney kind of effect, a drain that can get through that hard pan. And then you can fill that with some gravel, just anything that allows it to just continue to percolate through and it's not going to reclog itself.